Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about the job work out order. So in the previous video we have discussed about the job work in order. So in this video we will discuss about the configurations about the job work out order. So the job work order is nothing but we are providing our job to our vendor, who is commonly called as subcontractor. So in this we will demonstrate it with a practical example. So the process are similar to the job work in order. So we have a job work in order with material in, manufacturing journal, and then material out. But here we will have a job work out order, material out. We will not have this manufacturing journal here. So once the material out is created, we can directly go on for material in. Then we can make the purchase and then payment. So I just create a new company. We will work it out. So enable cost tracking is very essential, and even the job work order processing should be made yes. And here I just deactivate the GST. I'm not going to do anything with the GST. Okay, the company has been created. Now we can create some master datas. That is, we are giving our work to our vendor. So I will name them as job worker, which is nothing but sundry creditor, similar to the vendor. So I'm assigning my work to this vendor, frequently called as job worker. And okay, the other ledgers like sales, purchase accounts I just created. So here also the allow cost component cost allocation should be made yes. Okay, just leave the screen. We will create some create the voucher type. We will alter the voucher type with respect to material in and material out. Voucher type, I just enter into the material in. So use for job work yes, and use for job work in. So I just mark it as no, and allow consumption I just go for yes. Similarly for material out, the configuration should be like use for job work in, it is no. Okay, just save this. No need to create the manufacturing journal because we are not going to perform manufacturing journal. Okay, let me create the stock items. So first my finished product will be let's say for example motor. Okay, I just leave the bill of material. I just created when I create the components. So the components will be some winding or the copper winding. Okay, let me go for some other unit of measure, that is in meters. Okay, I just go for some opening stock so that this material will be uh, the company will have the stock of this material so that I can issue it to our job worker. So let me say I will have some 10 meters in my stock with a rate of 10. Similarly, some slots I just create and it is measured with numbers. Okay, the 10 quantities give the rate. So I have 10 quantities in my inventory. Now let me alter the uh, finished product for bill of material. So the copper winding, it is a component. We need 10 quantities, and the slots we need 10 numbers. So I've created the bill of material. Okay, and mainly the godown. So in the previous video, we have created a godown named um, debtor godown. So we will create as creditor godown. So the location of this godown will hold the stock of job worker. So in this our stock with third party, I just go for yes. So this is the difference between job workout and job work in order. So in the previous one we have gone with the third party stock with us, but here we are going with our stock with third party because we are providing our goods to the job worker. So I've created the godown, and now it's time to go on with the first step, that is job workout order. The voucher, I just choose the job workout order to the job worker. The work we are going to provide to the job worker is motor. So from the main location we will provide it to the job work job worker. It is bending to issue. These are the bending to issue. So the total rate is okay. Just the total rate is 200. So here I need to link the godown, the main location. From the godown main location need to be linked over here. The total amount is 200. I will enter the 200 here, and the cost tracking I just link number 1 here. So the job work out order has been created. The next step is material out. So in the other voucher I just click on material out. Material should be issued to the job worker. I just enter, and we can see here the component issue order has been linked over here. The destination godown is creditor godown. We are giving our goods to the creditor godown, and just link the cost tracking number. Similarly for the other material also. Okay, now I just view the report, display more report, job work report, material out register. Okay, is there any order outstanding? Okay, the components. So in the stock with the job worker, you can find our stock. It is with our job workers godown. Similarly with the material movement register. So I just change the view here as a job workout so that you can find the details. Okay, now the next process is we should not make any manufacturing journal in our system, and I just go to the material in. We have created the material out document. Now it is a process for job worker, and now we can move on with the material in. I just go back in the voucher. I just select material in, job worker, and the material receipt order. I just link over here. So the consumption godown. So the consumption godown I have linked as creditor godown, and the name of the item, the bill of material name. Okay, I have made the material in document. Just view the report, job work report in the material movement register. Change view material job workout. Okay, we can see the job received from job worker. The motor material you can view here. Quantity received from the job worker is one number. Okay, and now we can make some labor charges to the job worker, and we can make the payment. Let's go to the voucher, the purchase, the invoice number, to the job worker, and we'll create some for labor charges. Let me give some labor charges and link the cost tracking number for one quantity of motor. I'm assigning this labor charge and the receipt. Sorry, the payment. Sorry, it is a payment, not the receipt. It is the payment. It is made with cash for the labor charges. So let me view the report. So in order to view the report, I just enter into the order. So for confirmation, I just click here for job workout, and we can toggle between job work in and job workout. Since it is empty because we have no order outstanding. In the similar way, the components also. If you want to click on a job workout, you can click here, and it can toggle between job work in job workout order. You can toggle between these screens, and it is job workout order book. We have a order that is completed with the order amount, and the material out register. Okay, all these things will be recorded here, and the stock with the job worker is now empty. And is there any issue variance? No. Receipt variance? No. So likewise, we can configure our job workout order. I think this video will be more informative. Thank you friends for watching this video. We will continue the next video. Thank you.